So here is my little go-kart. It's finally been repaired enough to be drivable. Really, the only thing that still needs to be done is find the correct bolt that would hold the seatbelt in, and maybe try to make the key assembly a little better. But I moved the key up there so it's more convenient. And by far the hardest thing to get working was the throttle, which eventually I just sort of stuck a spring on there, and when you push the gas pedal, it pulls it this way, and this requires the necessary force to pull it back when you release. And it has a weird clutch thing which engages when the engine spins fast, and it's not working entirely correctly, it would seem. It doesn't like to engage, but once it's engaged, it goes. I got up to 22 miles an hour on this, and this is like a 6 horsepower engine, and my friend, he's convinced that the engine is not operating at full power, which I'm not sure, and he's not really that sure either. But we needed to put a new carburetor on this thing as well, because the old one was completely dead, like toast. Like, we couldn't get it to run at all on the old one. So ironically, I took a carburetor from a non-working snowblower engine, which was almost exactly the same as this. In fact, I do believe it was the same model, and we were going. And I replaced the fuel line as well, and 2 new back tires, and the front tires are original as far as I know. It really is just a snowblower engine if you look at it. It's built exactly the same as, if we go into the barn, the snowblower engine that is broken. In fact, it has provisions for the same exact electric starter kit that this snowblower has. See, if we look here, the gas can is almost exactly the same. It's mounted here, and the carb would go here, and the box would go on top of it. And the throttle is mostly the same, and has a different pull hook that, you know. And this one has the electric starter, and of course snowblower attachments. But thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave them. And this is about the time where I'll fade into the video of this driving.